Dodging a parliamentary investigation requires a level of brass neck usually reserved for more than just mere members of parliament. These are today's official minutes. The chairman has once more overturned an independent inquiry regarding appropriations of household assets. Operating under the illusion of a total immunity, Chang deploys the classic political manoeuvre of simply walking in the opposite direction and pretending he cannot hear anything. The MP for Clacton thought he could quietly outsmart the Standards Committee. Nope, no way, Jose. The chairman, however, is employing the exact same strategy with almost guaranteed success. Meeting adjourned.